Ayo YouTube, what up? It is your boy, Blesser, Worldwide, and I'm back with another big, better banger. Okay guys, it's been a while that I haven't been actually uploading any videos. So today I come back to you guys with something very new. I've been doing some bit of a project which was the London session breakdown, which I was uploading every day. But today I just decided to just do a New York market breakdown. I want to first see how this one will operate. Then if it operates very well, if there are a lot of viewers, then I'll then create more of the New York session. Unless if it doesn't, then I'll just move on to another project. Okay, so today, firstly, please hit the subscribe button. Please turn on the notification bell so that you may be the first to be notified immediately when I upload a video. Please also share the video and also comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Okay, so today we're looking at GJ. It was on the London session. Basically, the most questions that I get asked about this session says what time are they. So basically guys, there's a video right over there guys. This video, basically I was explaining the times of the sessions and everything. Unless if you want me to redo the video again, then I'll do that. But for now, the New York session opens at 14:00, which is in South African time, 2 o'clock in South African time. That's when the New York session opens. So we opened this trade on the New York session on GJ. So it went very well. This is the before when we analyzed it. As you can see right over here guys, we had a bearish momentum, having some bit of a consolidation right over here. Then we're having a market going to the upside, breaking this previous structure, giving us some bit of information saying that it's going to go to the upside. Okay, that the buyers have more power right now and the buyers are entering the market. So we can see that the market creates a consolidation. It creates a range right over here, and also it creates a channel. Okay, so with this guys, immediately there's something we call liquidity. If you have been watching my videos, my previous videos, you know what liquidity is about. But basically liquidity, this is how actually the bankers trade. Okay, this is the way that the bankers trade. This is institutional trading. So basically what happens is, where most retail traders put their stop losses, that's where liquidity enters. That's where liquidity is added. Okay, in retail trading, basically we call this false outs. In retail trading they call it false outs, but in institutional trading is liquidity. It's what we are aware of, it's what we know that it might happen, and we are very much aware of that. Okay, so sometimes I'm just going to give you a bit of a definition of some liquidity. Okay, so like a bit of an explanation actually. Okay guys, so this is the example, saying that maybe you're entering a buy trade. Okay, let's say you're entering a buy trade from this support, from this support area. Okay, but then the market goes down and hits your stop losses, then goes back to your direction. Okay, so that is what most of the time happens to many people, and many people come to me crying saying that why is always my stop loss hit. So basically it's the big boys, they know where you're putting your stop losses. Obviously on the resistance area, your stop losses when you're selling are lying above. Then on the support level, always always your stop losses are lying below. Okay, so they're always trying to hit your stop losses. But these things we can see them because we know that immediately when you have a support level below, there is liquidity. When we have a trend line, this a support trend line, we know that below there is liquidity. Same as this one, above there is liquidity, above the trend line there's liquidity. Okay, we had a range over here, and as I told you guys that we are now the buyers are now entering the market. Then we see something like this. Truth, the market broke our support level. Okay, others could have entered sells right over here thinking that the market is now selling, but others maybe entered a buy right over here, or some buy limits or buy stops or whatsoever they've entered. But the stop losses have been hit. So basically they're taken out of the market by liquidity that is being collected. So this is why we call it falls out in retail trading. Obviously it's called falls out. Then the market went back inside of the range, which this time it was London session. I remember it very well today. It was London session. Then the market went inside, okay, which here, right over here, the London session opened with this candle, guys. The London session opened with this candle. Then most of the people sold right over here, but yet look at where it turned. It supported this support area, then it went to the upside, played inside of the range again. Then as it was playing inside the range, we can see it it has passed our daily flip to the upside, meaning that daily on the daily time frame we are bullish, and also it has passed the H4 flip, meaning also on the H4 time frame we are bullish. Then it broke our resistance area, but yet it came back inside, giving us a bit of a falls out, and it broke again with a very impulsive candle, breaking the previous structure and coming back to retest this area, coming back to retest the resistance. But yet the market came back a bit down, giving us something saying that it might be a falls out, but yet the market broke and gave us a weak rejection. Then that's when we entered our trade. So let's go to the after, then I'm going to show you on the real chart. This is our after, guys. I don't think that showing you on the real chart now it will be something else, but I'll just go to the real charts, okay, just to explain the daily flip and the H4 flip. Okay, so we can see that the market came here, we right just over here. So we have a break of a resistance area right over here, then over here that's where we entered our trade. Then we have the market coming back to retest, giving us an official retest. Then others could have taken that trades just right over here, but I felt that it was safe right over here. Then the market went to the upside, breaking the previous structure. After the break of the previous structure, we can see that it left a huge wick right over here. Then I already knew that the market must fill this week, so we received a weak fill. Then after that we hit our target. This trade gave us a 1:5 risk ratio. It was really a good one and a perfect one for me for today on the New York session. Okay, so guys, it might be a bit confusing basically when it comes to this area, but one thing I want for you to look is the market structure, guys. Look at the market structure. You can see from right over here we had a bullish momentum, creating a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low. Now we're going to create a higher high. Okay, so now we're going to wait for a higher low, then we're getting another higher high. So right over here with this part, with only this part, we were looking at market structure mostly more than a lot of things, because you can see it was falls out after falls out. The market was just getting in, getting out of the range. So you couldn't place your trust a lot on it. Perfect, guys, we are on the charts. You can see how the market did it. So the market even went to past our take profit. I wanted to place my target right over here. Let me show you guys. I wanted to place my target around over here, yes, where the market really turned, but I was a bit skeptical about it. Yet I could have just went with my confidence, or I could have just closed 50% right here and another 50% right there. Because if I closed it right here, it's about 40 pips. Okay, it's about 40 pips. The reason being is that we have an inefficiency, guys, a big inefficiency right here, big imbalance, and I knew that the market must feel this imbalance right at the end of it. Then that's when the market can reverse or it can continue. So I could have placed my target right over here, but yet I've placed it right here just to be safe. This was the safest target which I can actually place it at. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. I just wanna show you all about the daily flip and the 4-hour flip. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have a bullish momentum. We have a candle before the daily candle. On this candle, immediately when it ended, not right on the wick, but where the body ended, actually, that's where another candle will obviously start. So this is our daily flip. If the candle was bearish, it means that the daily was bearish. Then if the the candle is bullish just like this, it means that the daily today is bullish. Then we go to our H4 time frame. We don't want to do all time frames. I believe that daily and H4 will be the greatest. One of the good brothers here on YouTube taught me this good thing, which is something very much good and something that can really help you a lot. So after that, we went on our daily time frame. By that time, when the New York session opened, let's open our sessions indicator. By the time when the New York session opened, we were just right over here. This is where our flip started. So even our flip was bullish. So now that's where we go to our H1 time frame, then the lower time frames, and looking forward for our entries. This is when we start looking for our entries and all of those kind of things. Okay, so if we can go to the M15 time frame, you can see clearly how efficient it is, how good it is. The daily flip, here it is, the market went up. The H4 flip, it is even respected. You see the market came back to retest this candle right over here, and also the H4 flip, then went to the upside. Then that was it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. By the way, I got a new mic and I also got a new camera, just setting up my trading room. I hope it sounds so good, and I hope yeah, the sound is good. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for tuning in and watching till the end. I love you all, guys. Please subscribe, and also please like this video. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so that you may be notified immediately when I post. And also comment down below, guys. Comment down below, don't be afraid to comment, and to any questions you have, just comment down below. Don't forget to also follow us on our Instagram page. It's at crowfx, it's at crow_fx_. You will get us right there, guys. I'm also posting IGTVs and some reels, and also some daily posts, like the trades that I took. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. I'm going to make another video where I'm going to show you actually the way my daily process, the way I actually analyze the market from the start till the end, and when the session opens and everything, all those kind of things. I will come with more massive content. Stay tuned, guys. It's just going to be awesome. Road to 1,000 subs. Thank you, guys. We have reached about 500 plus watch hours. So guys, we're just pushing it. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. So it is your boy once again, Blesser Worldwide. I'm signing out. Yes sir.